Guys, I'm back at it again this morning. I'm sorting out the kitchen unit area. I picked up a sink, quite a nice tidy little sink, perfect for this job. It's not too big. So what I've done with that is it's actually meant to be a surface mounted sink, but what I've done is I've made my ply worktop an inch thick. And what I'm going to do, what I've done is I've sunk the sink down into the worktop. I'll end up finishing all the edges of that properly so no water can get into the edges of the ply. It'll be all sealed and painted and done in properly. I'll be bringing a tap up along here somewhere. We have the water pump wiring already in for the tap, and I'm going to feed it off of two drums, two probably 25-litre drums, one for grey water, one for clean water. So you can never have more grey water than what you have clean water. So it should be easy enough to sort out. I've also, for those of you who saw the last video, you will remember the sockets were here. I've ended up having to move them quite a ways up because when I fitted the cooker, when I put the cooker and stuff in yesterday to test it, the lid of the cooker was obscuring the sockets, and I just thought it was a bit of a mess. So I moved the sockets quite a ways up to get them sorted. So now they're grand, they're all wired in, all properly sorted. And we've got USB-C now as well, which is pretty good. So guys, job now today is get this thing sorted. Okay, see you later guys.